Here is how to use your Visa at Costco rather than MasterCard. Get your points on your Visa. Launch the Costco app and click Account. Scroll down to Payment Methods. On the next screen, you'll be able to input your Visa. And from here, we're going to shop for a Costco shop card. Make sure that you choose digital. You want to be able to use this shop card while you are there rather than wait for a physical card. The Costco shop card comes in various denominations. Choose what you want. Then simply check out. You will get an email where you can click View All Digital Shop Cards. Proceed to your checkout, either the self-checkout counter or an assisted one. Scan your code, and you've just earned your Visa points.